I just want to say thank you very much for being here. And thank you very much for agreeing to take this position to fight for Nigeria. I've been in this country for a little less than 40 years. And the last time I went to Nigeria was in 1998.
Thank you. Please don't let her lie. Thank you.
Right.
Please, can we keep it down? I beg you, please.
So I have not been to Nigeria since 1998 because the last time I went to Nigeria, my niece, who was following me around, was abducted. We have not found her till today. So I made myself vow that I will never go back to Nigeria unless Flora Chichi Ifagu is found. Yeah, so she hasn't been found till today. My family is, we're abroad. My brothers are, my eldest brother is hold on. My eldest brother is a diplomat for United Nations. My other brother is a big person in Shell America. Excuse me. So we are all working for foreign governments, things we could have done for Nigerian government. Yeah? So I have always shunned politics, Nigerian politics. It was only when you came up, I decided I'm going to stick my neck out for Peter Obi. I am sticking my neck out for you, and I need you to let me know that when you get that post, which you will get by the grace of God, that I'll be able to say, yes, I can come home again.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let me assure you, I'm going to answer this before I continue. Let me assure you, let me most sincerely condole you on your cousin. People go through, your niece, people go through this sad situation every day in Nigeria. And it's a dreadful thing. And I don't blame you. If you go home, if I am in a place where somebody is kidnapped, I won't come there again. I'm being honest with you. I've seen so many painful things happen to people in my country, and I assure you, I accept my sympathy. It's a long time nobody knows what will happen that accident with issue of security. And again, like you said, you are here working in other countries and helping them to build their country when you are supposed to do that in your country. And that is my main reason for doing this. As I'm doing this, I'll tell you I've gone through difficulties myself. Every day you're harassed, every day you're condemned, every day people say to you, Peter, you're putting your life on this, everything. But what I tell them is that there's nothing else to live for. There's nothing else. I've done everything that I need to do as a human being, and that there's nothing else. We just have to either change the situation, or we know we'll try to change it, but to abandon it where criminals have taken it over, it won't work. So, my dear, just accept my success. I know that your pain is our pain, and that is what we want to change.